Again. There we go. Take two. Alright, so little technical difficulties I had. Alright, so now we're gonna do this skip to scene fix. As I recall, so this is take two. So now I need to go back to this script I already made it. Use it for reference. Come on. Come on, bitch. Like I said before the previous stream, before I had those technical issues. Livestream ended because of the it disconnected from the live stream, so I had to end that one and restart a fresh new one. So, alright, so we created a script that was titled "Skip to Scene Fix," and this script requires UI elements. It's gonna take two public game objects. One of them is gonna be the skip button, and one's gonna be the text. So let's go ahead and code that in right now. First, we need to add the namespace. Using Unity Engine dot UI because we're using UI elements. And we're gonna get rid of void update and annotations because we don't need them. We need to create two public game objects. So public game object skip button I'll put then public game object the text semicolon, and this one we need a coroutine like we did for the effects. This one will require the coroutine. So start coroutine skip pop. I'm gonna call it skip pop up 01. Then I enumerator. Then skip pop up 01. Then we do the following. We're going to do yield return new wait for seconds. I'm going to put 60. Wait for a minute. Give it a minute to. It'll take if it takes longer than a minute to load into your first level, to your game. If it doesn't respond within a minute, then we're gonna get skip button. We're gonna set that. That's it. We're gonna put this then we're gonna set this to true. Activate it. Then this trigger, if it doesn't respond within a minute, then this gets triggered. Then we save the script. I believe all we needed was 3 lines of code for the numerator. Let me check. I do believe it's 3 lines of code for the enumerator. Because it okay, so if it doesn't respond within 60 seconds, then these 2 lines of code will appear if your loading screen takes longer than a minute. So if it doesn't do it within a minute, these were triggered. So I do believe it's 3 lines of code for the numerator. Let's see if Unity's gonna. Come on. I believe that's what it is. I gotta look at that reference script. There we go. Come on, Unity. Always gotta have their fucking moments. Come on. Oh, so you now finally want to respond. Alrighty, let me double check. Yep, three lines of code for the enumerator. Alright, now we take the script and attach it to skip scene fix. Now we need to get the skip button to skip button and message to the text. Always assign the game objects to the script, otherwise you will get an error. So let's control S to save the scene. And now we're gonna go to skip scene. Oh, alright, so now let's test this out, see what we got. Play this one more time. Oh, you know what I forgot to add? The loading text. Right click, UI, text. Bold and italic. 28. Let's go with 24. Go with a white. I'm gonna call this loading. Let's do like then drag, put this to down here and anchor it to the bottom right hand corner. Control S, and now let's test to see what we got. I'm going to show you how to animate that like I did in the Fun fact, learning to code your own games from YouTube tutorials is fun to get experience. Coding your own games isn't easy as you think. Fact 3. Fact 4. And then it repeats in a cycle. Wait for 60 seconds. Fact 2. Fact 3. And fact 4. Loops again. There it is. It seems the loading screen is taking longer than expected. Try skip. Alright. Now we just need to animate the loading logo. I mean the loading text. So change this to loading text so we know what it is. Now we're going to open up the animation tab. You don't see the animation tab. Where these 3 dots. Click the 3 dots, add tab, and select animation. Then we create the make sure loading text is selected and create an animation clip, or press create. It's going to create an animator and an animation clip. We're going to call this loading anim and save. And we're going to press the record button. So on the 0 frame, now we're going to open up the color picker. We're going to be messing with the alpha. The first keyframe is going to be 255. Then I'll say let's go with 30 seconds. Color picker, set this to 0. Go to 60 seconds. This damn color picker. I'm about to anchor this motherfucker. Two, 5, 5. Then we go to the 120 frame. 60, 60, it's 120. No, it's the 90th frame. I'm sorry. Come on, you stupid color picker. 0 again. Now let's see what we got. Now to the 120th frame. If this goddamn color picker now let's play that again. Alrighty, I'm happy with that. This, I am going to remove the animator component. I'm going to add a component, add animation. I'm going to click on the loading animation. I'm going to select this little these 3 dots, go to debug, select legacy, then go back to normal, and select loop, Control S, then go to loading text, and drag and drop on the animation to the animation component, and leave play automatically text. And this is, once we got all that, and this should be our final product, final result. That's what we should have for the final result. 4. There we go. That is perfect. So that is simply how to create a loading screen with effects and Unity. I can put these scripts on my game dev website if the code doesn't work. Or you just if these scripts I put on my website doesn't work, you can go to my website johnjohngames.com/shop and look for the loading screen with effects source code, or go on itch.io. There's 2 links in the description below where you can get the source code. It's a paid source code. It's on sale for 20%, but if you use my code JohnJohnGameDev on my website at checkout, you get an extra 30% off. Right now it's on sale on itch.io and my website for 20% off, but if you use my code JohnJohnGameDev, you get an extra 30% off. So thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys later.